Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids now coloring ABC. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat, the alphabets of B. Kids neither C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use yellow color, Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan, the alphabets of F. Kids neither G. G for God, G for grapes, the alphabets of G, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, the alphabets of H. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.